Hey there, history buffs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel todays. Are you intrigued by the mysteries of the past? Today I'm diving deep into one of the greatest mysteries of all time, the disappearance of the Titanic. We all know the basic story, the unsinkable ship, the iceberg, and the tragic sinking, but what if I told you there's more to it than meets the eye? Let's rewind to April 10th, 1912. The Titanic, a marvel of modern engineering, embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City. On board were some of the wealthiest people of the time, along with thousands of immigrants looking for a new life in America. The ship was a floating palace, boasting every luxury imaginable, but on the night of April 14th, disaster struck. The Titanic collided with an iceberg, and within a few short hours it was swallowed by the icy waters of the North Atlantic. Over 1,500 souls perished. But the mystery didn't sink with the ship. In fact, it was just beginning. You see, the Titanic was equipped with the most advanced safety features of its time. So how did it meet such a catastrophic end? Many theories have surfaced over the years. Some suggest the ship was doomed by poor craftsmanship. Others point to a coal fire smoldering within the ship's bunkers, weakening its hull. And then there's the conspiracy that the Titanic wasn't the Titanic at all, but its sister ship, the Olympic, involved in an insurance scam gone horribly wrong. But perhaps the most chilling theory revolves around a curse. Yes, you heard that right. According to some, a cursed artifact was on board, the so-called mummy's curse. An ancient Egyptian artifact said to bring misfortune to those who possess it. Coincidence? Or something more sinister? Then there's the question of the missing lifeboats. The Titanic carried enough lifeboats for only half its passengers, a decision driven by aesthetics rather than safety. But why weren't these lifeboats filled to capacity? Panic, chaos, and miscommunication during the evacuation played a crucial role, sealing the ship's doomed fate. Fast forward to 1985, when the wreck was finally discovered by Dr. Robert Ballard. The eerie images of the Titanic's remains sparked renewed interest and more questions. What secrets still lie beneath the ocean's surface, waiting to be discovered? The Titanic's story is a haunting reminder of human hubris and the unpredictable power of nature. It's a tale of tragedy, mystery, and enduring intrigue that continues to captivate us over a century later. So what do you think really happened to the Titanic? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating historical mysteries. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.